There comes a moment when the version of you that survived can no longer be the version of you that leads. And I know that tension you feel, the H between who you've been and who you're becoming, it's uncomfortable because growth always is. You've mastered the old you. You know her prayers, his patterns, their coping mechanisms. But purpose is calling you higher, and it refuses to fit inside familiar habits. So today, I'm not here to soothe you. I'm here to stretch you. Because the very things that once kept you alive may now be keeping you small. And if you're going to walk into what God showed you in glimpses, you're going to have to release the comfort of who you used to be and have the courage to outgrow her. Growth requires grieving the old you, because transformation is not just about adding something new. It is about releasing something familiar.
What's up, everyone? Welcome back to my channel. I am IAMDACARDIA, also known as Synthetic Wig Whisperer. And if you are new here and you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. I'm excited. Oh, girl, let me put something on these crusty, dusty lips. Is this lip gloss? Nope. Because who is finna talk to y'all with these lips cracked? I mean, my lips ain't cracked. Let me just, let me put that out there. My lips is not cracked. I like to look decent in these videos. You feel me? I don't like to look bust down. I mean, I feel like I'm bust down with this head. If you see me, you see I am back with another wig. I have another wig for you guys today, and it's not the normal, you know, how can I say it? TEMU, Sheen. It's not off of neither one of those. Today's video, I got this wig from Whatnot. Whatnot is an app that my aunt introduced me to. Big mistake. Really big mistake, because honey, I am on this app 24/7 bidding on things that I truly don't need, but I need, if that makes sense. I don't need it, I just want it. That's just what it is. I want it. Like an app where you can bid on anything that these people are advertising. And honey, when I say it's any and everything on this app, everything down to house supplies or down to decor. There's clothes for any and everybody, kids, adults, anybody. Anything that you need is on there. Makeup is on there. Everything is on this app. Warning y'all, I'm warning you, before you get this app, you gotta have a little self-control. I mean, my definition of self-control is taking the app off the phone whenever you're not trying to spend no money. That's what I do. So I had this app for a little hot minute now, and you know, I just discovered that they sell wigs on there. Wigs, hair, all types of stuff. So I ended up recently finding out that they got these wigs, and when I found out, your girl started swiping at a reasonable price. Okay, so I am doing that today. I got a wig from Whatnot, and I'm gonna tell you guys everything about this unit, how much I paid for it, and all. Also, with this app, you pay for the shipping, so you have to be mindful. The shipping and the price of the product that they're selling, it combined together, that's what you're going to be paying. And so I found this, she's an Asian lady. She's an Asian lady, and I didn't know anything about what she was selling, but I did saw she was selling wigs, and I was like, oh, click. I had got a few wigs from her, not even a few, just a couple, because I wasn't for sure about like the quality and all that good stuff. But I got the wig. I'm going to pretty much feel the hair, touch the hair, see the lace, do everything with this unit with you guys. I haven't took it out the pack, but I mean, I can see through the pack though. I'm gonna wait until I show you guys. Overall total that I spent on this unit was $16. So overall, I spent $11 on this unit. This unit is $11. I love it. Of course, you know, I have to pay for shipping, which was $5. So whatever, I spent $16 overall, if that makes sense. If you have not tried Whatnot app, I got the link in the description box. Click that, so baby, we can get this money together. So if you click the link in the description box and you do your first order and you get it, you can get in between $10 to $200 when you get your first order. I'm helping y'all out just as well as I'm helping me out. Don't say that I ain't warned you. But it doesn't even have to be wigs. It can be whatever you're interested in on that app. You know, just make sure you click the link in the description box, okay? Let's get started. This is the unit. This is a short, so when she was advertising this unit, it was a short unit and a short unit. And I was like, I don't want a short unit, but I mean, it was, you can't beat the price. You feel me? I don't mind wearing short units. I wear long, short, pink, purple, blue, black, whatever. I wear it all. Let's go ahead and open her up. What am I saying? Open her up. Ooh, okay, she cute. The color is cute. Can y'all see this color? How pretty that is. So she is H1B 27. That is what she is. I like that color. It's cute. Don't forget to take the gut out. She's really cute. Like, she is cute. Okay. Now, let me tell y'all this. I ain't even really looking at the lace, but she's a hard lace. I don't like hard laces, but you know what? It'll be okay, right? Anyway, let's go ahead and get into the details of this unit. So right off the bat, I really don't even know how long she is. It's looking like she's either 12 or 14 inches. She's not long at all. She's short. She's short. And on top of that, she has layers. And it's cute. So obviously this is the lace area. You really truly can't see, but you know, we're gonna make it do what it. We're gonna make it do what it do, okay? We're gonna do it. But like I told you, this lace, y'all hear that? It's hard. It's hard. This lace is hard. So she has two combs right here on the side. She has one comb in the back. She also has the adjustable straps, and there is like little plucking area. I'm gonna pluck just a little bit. It has potential. Let me pray about it. Dear Heavenly Father, please let this wig look decent on your girl for this video. And let's help some people out. Let's help some beautiful women out and save money. I don't know. In your name that I pray, amen. I'm going to give you guys a taste of how it is, what you see whenever you get this app. This is what she... Pretty much, this is how she advertised the wig for me to bid. Well, other people to bid on it.
Very smooth, very soft. Yep, so that's how she looks from the back. Kind of layered haircut. And this honey blonde mix is just super cute. And that's how she looks from the front. She is running starting at $3. She is a cutie. The mixed color is very gorgeous. She is synthetic hard lace that has comb inside. This longest part is about 16 to 18 inches. Alright, I am 𝒹𝒶𝒶𝒾𝒶. Thank you for your first purchase.
And that's pretty much it. You just, if you like it, you bid on it. It starts out, most times things start out at $1. Those are my kind of bids, okay? I like to bid at $1. And if people really want this item, it goes up. If you know how bidding is, yeah, you got to be mindful of how many people are watching. And what I mean by that is the price can go up so high. You know what I'm saying? My cutoff is 15 $15. I'm not going over $15 on this stuff. I'm just saying, but you can do whatever you want. It's totally up to you. I also have phones on there. I don't know if anybody, like, I'm talking about iPhone 15. I don't know about a 16, but I've seen 15 Pro Max. I'm like, and these people really bidding on this stuff. I'm like, I'm trying to find a phone for like $20. I'm trying to find an iPhone 15 for $20. That's impossible, first of all. See, let me go ahead and get my hair together because, yeah. Ooh, it's thick, I know that. Made y'all want some water, huh? Yeah. Okay. You know what? I'm looking at it now. Baby, I need to put, this lace is sharp. Oh my God. I don't know about that. Maybe I need to cut these little edges off because, baby, what? Let me put some foundation. I'm gonna use this powdered foundation from TEMU. Oh, I'm gonna have to use a lot. Oh gosh. And to be honest, looking with this wig, it's not like a parting area. It's really like a flip over method that you will have to do. We're gonna work this out, girl. Yeah, this ain't working right here. Liquid foundation, come through, because that powder is not doing it at all. That's the best I'm gonna do. I ain't finna do much. I ain't. Let's try this again. Ooh. Dang, that lace is sharp. It's cut. You really can't see this hard lace, which is not, it's not a bad thing at all. I mean, I like it. That hairline is very harsh. It is so harsh. We about to pluck this, okay? We're gonna pluck this. Cut a widow's peak. This is all I'm gonna do. Like, y'all, this part right here is bothering me. It's like I need to put something on it. So I'm gonna go in with my melting spray and I'm gonna put something on it. I think that's it. Give me a moment. this unit right here, the hard lace, it don't even matter about the hard lace. It's about this. Literally, I'm so shocked. This is cute. Let's get all the bad things out the way, okay? Let's just do that. Of course, y'all know about the lace. The lace is hard. Baby, I think I got a cut on my forehead from the lace. This is a thin unit. I mean, it's not thick, but I like it like that. I don't know. I don't like that I don't have that much plucking space. I want a unit where I can pluck, 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 you know what I'm saying? But I can't really pluck this unit like that. I hate that I can't part it. I just can't part it. So I just have to do it like this. I don't know what it looks like in the middle. I don't think I like that. And I don't like it. I don't like it. So I just like it on the side, which is really cute. She does come with layers already. She has like a little flip to her. You know how you wrap your hair? That's what it's giving. It's giving like I wrapped my hair and it's down. You know what I'm saying? Like, I love the way that every strand of hair is like curled some type of way. You know, I really didn't put no heat to this. And to be honest, I don't even know if it could take heat. Yeah, nah. Okay. She takes heat. She'll take some heat. I wouldn't put a lot of heat on her. I wouldn't go up to 450 and test that out. Because, baby, I ain't going to do that. This is so cute. I love the length. Like I said, looking at it now, I want to say it's a 12-inch. It's a 12-inch. I mean, it could be 12-inch or 14-inch. It one of them. This is like a natural hairstyle that I can wear. I like this. And I did put a little lace spray right here because this was going up. Overall, this is not down at all on the sides. It fits very nicely. I like that. I have nothing else to say about this unit. This is a cute unit. Make sure you do check out the description box for Whatnot app so you can go ahead and bid on some wigs, because I'm giving y'all a deal on that. And also, if you don't want to do that, you want to stick with TEMU or Sheen, I will have the link for this or something that's similar to this in the description box. And yeah, y'all, this is like a really quick video. I just don't know. I didn't expect for it to be so quick. That's all I have for you guys. I am pretty much done. If I were to give this wig a rating, most definitely a 10 out of a 10. I love this unit. Regardless of the lace area, I have no parting space at all. I still like it. I mean, you can do baby hairs. You can do whatever you want, you know what I'm saying? If you just want to have it back and put a headband on, that'd be cute too. That is all I have for you guys today. I thank you so much for tuning in, watching the video. And like I always say, if you like my vibe, make sure you subscribe. And I pray and hope that you guys have a wonderful day, night, evening, whatever time you're looking at this. I thank you guys so much for everything you do. See y'all next time.